Hello homeowners, Brian Schwatka here, realtor and retiree wannabe. There are a lot of myths surrounding retirement living communities, and I hear things all the time like it's going to make me feel old, people dress a little funny, it's too expensive, what do I get for my money, what if I run out of money, will I get kicked out, what if I change my mind, what if my partner's health declines and mine doesn't, what's the difference between independent and assisted living, what's the difference between a buy-in and a month-to-month, and the worst one of all, I'm going to wait until my health declines before I get on the waiting list. Well, this workshop will dispel all the myths surrounding retirement communities and show you what it's like to live on a cruise ship on land. I'll be interviewing a panel of experts from the top retirement communities in the area, and you'll get answers to your tough questions without the sales pitch. So feel free to sign up for a live workshop or request a personal consultation, and I'll be sure to wear my best realtor costume. By the time you're done, you'll have a whole new outlook on retirement living communities. I hope to see or hear from you soon. Take care.